Okay, imagine this, an AI agent that doesn't just answer your questions, it actually does your work for you. Building website, writing and sending emails, researching competitors, creating presentations, operating your browser like a human. All of it automatically while you focus on the things that actually matter. Sounds unreal? The tool I'm talking about is Manus AI and it's going to blow your mind. Hi, I'm Nandakishore and today I'm going to show you an AI agent so powerful, it's honestly the future of work and it's available right now. In the next few minutes, I'm breaking down everything Manus can do, the features, the use cases, the real applications, and by the end, you'll understand why AI agents like this are about to change everything. If you're ready to see the future, hit the like button and subscribe and let's dive in. Alright, so what exactly is Manus? Let me break this down in the simplest way possible. Manus is an AI agent platform, but not the kind of AI you are used to. This isn't ChatGPT, where you ask questions and get text responses. Manus is an AI that can actually perform tasks, take actions, and complete work autonomously. And here is something huge. Manus is now part of Meta's portfolio. Yes, Meta, the company behind Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, has invested over $2 billion in Manus because they see the massive potential of AI agents. When Meta backs an AI startup, you know it's serious. This isn't just another AI tool. This is where the industry is heading. Manus is like having a team of AI employees, each specialized in different areas, all working together to handle your busiest work automatically. And with Meta's backing, this platform is only going to get more powerful in the coming days. Now let me show you exactly what this tool can do. Let's take a look at the features. Just like other AI chat tools, Manus also has this chat box interface. You can use it just like you would use any other AI chat tools. You can see this plugin icon here. If you click on that, it says connect apps. And if you click on this, you'll see the drop down with some of the apps you can connect to Manus. If you click this add connectors, it opens up this pop-up where you can access and connect to over thousands of tools. You can connect to Gmail, you can connect to Instagram, Google Drive, and so much more. Now here, this is my computer and we are going to look at this later as well because this is a really new feature. And then below this, it gives you some ideas for what you can do with Manus. And if you click more things like create videos, develop apps, we will develop an app in a moment, create spreadsheets, create audio. So you can see straight away that it has all these different tools and all these different templates that you can use. After that, if you click playbook, it gives you all these different templates you can start with. But then as you scroll down, you can see all the different use cases that it's suggesting. Under the business, you can create AI expense report generator, purchase order generator, and more. If you're going to be creative, we can do things like interior design, AI video generator, and more. Under sales and marketing, you can do things like sales funnel builder. It's just trying to make things simpler for you. And this is actually a good place to start if you just want to play around and see what you can actually do with Manus. Let's take a look at different models. So there is Manus 1.6 Max. So it's going to consume more credits. As you can see, high performance agents are designed for complex tasks. Then we have Manus 1.6 Versatile agents capable of most tasks and 1.6 Lite. So this one is for everyday tasks. Here you can see the credits that I have used so far and the monthly credits that I have. So you can always check in to see the usage and how much you have got left over here. Now let's get into these features, starting with Manus Skills. Skills are essentially pre-configured agents capabilities you can assign to specific types of tasks. Think of them like specialized modes. You can set up a skill for summarizing content, organizing information, extracting data from documents, or managing specialized workflows. To test these features, just go to the settings, click My Plugins, and here you'll find the Skills section. This is where things get really powerful. With skills, you can unlock new capabilities. If I click on create, you can see multiple ways to add skills. You can create your own custom skills, upload one manually, add from official library, or even import directly from GitHub. You can simply click browse plugins, come down and click view all. There are already many ready-made skills available like Internet Skill Finder, Skill Creator, Video Generator, and even Stock Analysis. I'm going to use a skill I already created, YouTube Channel Analyzer. Watch this. Step 1. Open a new chat session in Manus. I'll choose 1.6 for this. Step 2. Type / in the chat box. It shows the list of available skills. Step 3. Select the YouTube Analyzer skill and give it one piece of information, the competitor's channel. I'll give this one. Now watch. Manus is doing everything I used to do manually. It visits the channels, gathers channel data, calculates performance metrics, analyzes their content strategy, looking at their subscribers count, etc. And analyzing which is best among all. All of this happening automatically. This would have taken me hours manually, or I would be paying a freelancer for this. Another great feature is creating websites and apps with Manus. For this, I'll use 1.6 Max. So let's create a website. I'm going to type this prompt. Build a complete e-commerce website for a fashion brand. Add features like homepage, product listing, product detail page, shopping cart and checkout system. No backend required. Mobile responsive design. Use modern UI UX like Apple website. Now I'll hit the generate button. I'll let the AI do everything. As you can see, it starts processing. First, it begins writing the full code automatically. Then it moves to designing the layout and generating product images using ChatGPT Image 2. You don't need to touch anything. It handles front end, back end, and design all at once. After a short time, your website is now ready. Now let's preview it. Here you can see a clean and modern website with featured products, banners, and a professional layout. If I scroll down, you can see product sections, categories, and everything properly organized. And yes, it also creates a working cart and checkout system. So this is not just a design, it's a complete working website. How cool is that? So if you're someone who wants to build projects fast, start a business, or create client work without coding, honestly, this tool can save you a lot of time. Now you can export the code, host the website, or keep improving it with more prompts. So once your website is ready, just hit publish and your site will go live. Similarly, you can create an app. Let's try creating a fully functional Android app. I'll give this prompt. Build a modern fitness tracker Android mobile app with activity tracking, steps counting, workout logging, goal setting, progress analytics, reminders, and a clean UI pastel colors theme. I'll hit generate. In the background, Manus uses its upgraded system to design each screen, create navigation, enable app functionality. It tests the app first, it fixes the issues, and then it delivers. And there we go, we have the final app we just requested to Manus. We can see the app preview on the right side. It says some features we may not be able to see properly. We can scan this QR code from your smartphone and the app launches instantly. Anyone without coding knowledge can easily build these types of apps and publish them to the App Store or Play Store. How cool is that? Guys, if you are enjoying this video so far, hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you doing? Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It's completely free. Now let's see the power of Manus 1.6 by doing a wide research. I'll give this prompt. Research the current usage and adoption of AI tools in 2026 across businesses and individuals, highlighting key adoption trends, leading use cases, major tools, benefits, challenges, ROI, and future outlook with supporting data and credible sources. As you can see, it starts working. With Manus 1.6 Max enabled, it goes step by step. It plans, researches, organizes, and completes the task in a structured way. And there we have it, the report itself. This makes Manus ideal for market analysis, strategic planning, and decision making for businesses. Let's try another feature. You can also create slides with Manus AI slides creation. For example, I'll type this prompt, create a professional 10 slides presentation on how AI is transforming e-commerce. Now I'll click generate. It starts processing. First, it creates the content structure, then generates markdown files, and finally converts everything into a complete presentation. Wait for some time. Once everything is ready, you can see the slides are generated exactly as requested. Now let's check the slides. You can open in full preview mode by clicking the preview section and view them clearly. And here you can see it has created a full 10 slide presentation exactly based on my prompt with proper structure and content. Next, let's look at another cool feature, that's design view. AI design is a full interactive canvas. You can create social media posters, infographics, interactive 3D designs, book covers, and visual designs from text descriptions. With Manus 1.6, this got a major upgrade called Design View, which gives you a precision editing canvas for fine-tuning every element. The cool thing about Design View is that you can click on any object to change its colors, swap backgrounds, or reshape elements. You can use Nano Banana Pro and ChatGPT Image 2 to generate high-fidelity images, videos, and interestingly, 3D models as well. Crazy, right? Now let's test this feature. I'll give a prompt. Design a vibrant set of Instagram and Facebook ad creatives for my fashion brands Summer Escape Sale event. Apparently, it has created the design. Now the good thing is, you can edit and make changes. I'll click to open the design view. If you want to make changes to the text, just click directly on the text and rewrite it instantly. Similarly, you can edit parts of the image without affecting the rest. Make small adjustments without starting over. So you have full control, faster iteration, and no wasted generations. Design View transforms Manus into a true design workspace, not just an AI generator. Not only that, you can remove background, upscale the image, and download it easily. And it's not just that, you can do so much more with the design view. Now we have another useful feature, that is projects. This helps us to keep your projects organized into a focused set of folders for each specific project. Projects let you create persistent workspaces with shared instructions and files. So every new task starts with the right context. Organize recurring workflows and eliminate repetitive setup. To set this up, just click on this plus icon and it opens this pop-up. You're gonna need to give a name to your project. I'll give social media and give instruction, and you can connect apps. We can do that later. Let's click create project. Now, if you want to rename your project, just click on that and change. I'll give a new updates. Now I can give instructions as to what it has to do. I can add connectors. Say I'll add Gmail and click save. I can also add some reference documents and PDF files. And to perform this task, I can add skills for repeated workflows for task. Let's test it. Generate today's daily AI intelligence brief. I'll enter this prompt and hit send. As you can see, it starts working and gathers data from multiple sources, and finally it has generated this report that I can read through. Now you can create schedule for your task and don't have to keep it open. You can do other things while it keeps running on the cloud in the background, and it brings the output here. So these scheduled tasks are a great way to get the work done without you having to open your computer. It just runs on the cloud and you can decide exactly when you want to do it. I'll set one in just a moment. So just a quick tip. You can see this filter task option here. It shows all the tasks in the projects. You can filter them with non-project tasks. This keeps it cleaner and organized. And if you see these tasks next to it, you have this more option. If you click, you can share, you can rename, add to favorite, open in a new tab, or move it to project, or you can even delete it. Now let's set up a schedule. You can go to schedule options here and click on create a schedule. And it's going to bring up this pop-up. You can add the name, prompt. I'll add this. Every day at 8 a.m. IST, generate the daily AI intelligence brief using this project and continue updating the same task thread. And click save. You can see it has created the schedule automatically and it runs every day at 8 a.m. IST. Great feature, must try when you have recurring tasks and you want to reduce manual efforts. Awesome, right? Now I want to talk about another great feature, that is Manus browser operator. This is helpful for specific problems. When you do research, you open multiple websites, tabs, and sites to gather data and study materials as part of your research. You may require logging into multiple websites. With Manus browser operator, it does research in a cloud sandbox. Uses Chrome extension that lets Manus browse the web from your local browser. Your local browser already has your saved password, active sessions, and cookies. So Manus can easily access your sites that you are already logged in. So let me show you how to set that up. I'm going to go to settings and I'm going to go over to my plugins and under connectors, and here I'm going to connect my browser, and this allows us to access the browser. So I'll go ahead and click on connect here and then install the extension. So it opens up a new tab. So here I can just click on add to Chrome and add extension, and it's going to show us how to use it here. So you can close sensitive tabs to revoke access. Basically, it is only going to have authentication to the tabs. It's already open to websites. So if I click get started, it automatically adds this sample prompt to try. If I click send, now see it's asking to authorize a new tab. So if I click authorize, you can see Manus browser operator has opened this new tab and it's controlling. How do you know? You can see here it says Manus is browsing. And once you come back to Manus, it has completed the task. It has analyzed the link and given this top 3 video recommendations to watch. That's just a brief idea about the Manus browser operator. So Manus also has this agent feature. Deploy your agent for business, marketing, or research and much more. If you click get started, you can connect to Telegram, Line, or Slack and start chatting and get the things you need with this feature. Since it's part of the Meta portfolio, WhatsApp and Messenger are also coming soon. So that's Manus AI agent. And as part of Meta, Manus now has the engineering resources and distribution of one of the most powerful tech companies in the world. Manus now helps us to do the kinds of tasks most of us do every day. Research, content creation, app prototyping, email management, competitive analysis, reports creation, presentations. Manus is already delivering real time-saving outputs. If you want to try it yourself, Manus is available at manus.im. Free users get 300 daily refresh credits. Let me know what's the first task you would hand off to an AI agent. Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one. If this video gave you value, hit the like button and subscribe. I make new videos on AI tools every single week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.